8th standard English. Today we are going to see the synonyms and antonyms from the prose 1. So just we are going to give the revision for your examination. So now we are going to see the synonym of the italicized word, and also the correct answer has been given here. We do it in our spare time. So spare time, the meaning of the spare time, the synonym of the spare time is nothing but free time. Free time. Writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. So the meaning of beneficial is useful. It was very impressed with Ajay's work. So impressed meaning synonym is amazed. It was unable to describe them accurately. So the synonym of accurately is exactly. Soon he became an accomplished artist. The synonym of accomplished is fulfilled. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 paintings. So the meaning of exhibited is showed. Her passion for carom took her to the level of world champion. So the synonym of compassion is desire. Her father's dream shattered. The synonym of shattered is destroyed. So while giving by the sentences, you can understand the meaning and it will be easy for you to. It is easy to understand and understand the meaning, and it is easy for you to write. Okay, now the confidence led her to win the Asia Cup. So the meaning of confidence is nothing but hope. His parents tried several hospitals to cure impairment, disability. Now we are going to see the antonyms of the italicized word. So now we are 10 synonyms we have seen. Now next we are going to see the antonyms of the italicized words. Opposites we are going to see now. Mani found it difficult to read and write. So the opposite of difficult is easy. Same is a case with me. The opposite of same is different. I sit with small children and entertain them. So the antonym of entertain is annoy. And the fourth one, it opens my mind to think with the broader mind. So broader means opposite of broader is narrow. Narrower, broader, so narrower. But that treatment led Ajay permanently deaf. So the opposite of permanently is temporarily. Asha Devi taught Ajay the old and dying techniques of traditional Indian miniature painting. So traditional Indian miniature painting means traditional means old one. The opposite of traditional is modern. His family did not encourage and support him. So the encouragements discourage is the opposite word. The hardworking people always chase their dream. So the opposite of chase is nothing but retreat. Her victories included the Asia Cup and SAARC Cup. So included means excluded. She won the championship beating a former world champion Rashmi Kumari in the final. So here the italicized word is the farmer. So farmer, opposite word is the future. Okay, now we will see the short answers and the paragraph answers in the prose one, and tomorrow we will continue with the poem and supplementary lesson. Okay, answer in one or two sentences. Now we are going to see the first one. What happened to Ajay at the age of 3? Ajay suffered an injury at the age of 3. He was retreated, but that treatment left him permanently deaf. The second question is, what did Asha Devi teach Ajay? Asha Devi taught Ajay. So here they are asking in the present tense teach. You have to write in the past tense taught Ajay the old and dying techniques of traditional Indian miniature painting. Why writing is beneficial according to Mani? According to Mani, writing opens his mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It makes him more passionate about his life and learn new things. Okay, now we have completed the one or two sentences. Now we shall go for the paragraph questions. The first question is, how did Ajay's father find him son's talent? Ajay's father Garg's childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Ajay was treated, but that treatment left him permanently deaf. His parents tried many hospitals to cure his disability, but it was useless. One day, his father bought him a paint to set to play. Ajay started painting happily on the walls and floors. He looked happily while using the paint set. Soon, Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years, a court artist of Dholpur, Sri Sahalal, was impressed with Ajay's work. He took Ajay with him and started training him. Now the second question we are going to see, write a note on Ilavaragi. Ilavaragi was one among many to achieve their dreams amidst all odds. Her father was a district level champion in carom. He used to put her on carom boards to listen to the sound of the strikers and coins. Her father took her to the local club frequently. When Ilavaragi won her first match against her father, she gained confidence. The confidence led her to win the Asia Cup, SAR Cup, and the World Championship. She won a lot of trophies. She won the 2008 Indian Nation Carom Championship and became a world champion in the women's singles. Her passion for carom made her succeed in life. Okay, children, so tomorrow we will see the poem and the supplementary question answers. Thank you.